Math lesson number 23, composition of functions. Composition of functions or composite function is substituting a function to the variable of another function. Example, if function of x is equal to x minus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared, find f of g of x. So f of g of x is equal to f of x squared because g of x is x squared. Now you substitute x squared to x here, it will become x squared minus 2. So f of g of x is equal to x squared minus 2. Number 2, function of x is equal to x minus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared. Find g of f of x. Now g of f of x is equal to g of x minus 2. Why x minus 2? Because function of x is x minus 2. Now g of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 quantity squared. Why? Because g of x is x squared and x minus 2 must be substituted to x in g of x. Now x minus 2 squared is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Therefore, g of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Let's have number 3. If function of x is equal to 2x plus 5 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 2, find f of g of 3 and g of f of 3. So let's start with f of g of 3. That is f of g of 3 or f of 3 squared minus 2. Why 3 squared minus 2? Because g of x is x squared minus 2 and g of 3 there will be substituted to x. So that will be 3 squared minus 2. Simplifying that, you have 7. Now, function of 7 is equal to 2 times 7 plus 5. Why? Because function of x is 2x plus 5. And 7 will be substituted to x. So 2 times 7 plus 5 is equal to 19. Therefore, f of g of 3 is equal to 19. Now let's have g of f of 3. G of f of 3 is equal to g of 2 times 3 plus 5. Why? Because f of 3 is 2 times 3 plus 5. So 2 times 3 plus 5 is 11. G of 11 is 11 squared minus 2. Why? Because g of x is x squared minus 2. And 11 will be substituted or must be substituted to x in g of x. So 11 squared minus 2 is 119. Therefore, g of f of 3 is equal to 119. Let's have example number 4. Function of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Find f of x. So f of x is equal to function of 3x minus 1. Why? Because f of x or function of x is 3x minus 1. Now, function of 3x minus 1 is equal to 3 times 3x minus 1 minus 1. Meaning to say 3x minus 1 will be substituted to x here or must be substituted to x. So it will become 3 times 3x minus 1 minus 1. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times 1 is 3. And then minus 1 minus 1. Simplifying that, you have 9x minus 4. Therefore, f of x is equal to 9x minus 4. Let's have number 5, the last example. Function of x is equal to 3x plus 2. G of x is equal to negative 4x minus 1. And h of x is equal to x minus 7. So there are 3 functions. Find f of g of h of x. So let's start first with h of x. H of x is x minus 7. So that's x minus 7. G of x minus 7 is negative 4 times x minus 7 minus 1, because g of x is negative 4x minus 1. So x minus 7 must be substituted to x here. So simplifying that, you have negative 4x plus 28 minus 1. That will be negative 4x plus 27. Now, function of negative 4x plus 27 is 3 times negative 4x plus 27 plus 2. Because function of x is equal to 3x plus 2. And negative 4x plus 27 must be substituted to x in function of x. Now, simplifying this, 3 times negative 4x is negative 12x. 3 times 27 is 81. And then plus 2 plus 2. Simplifying, you have negative 12x plus 83. So f of g of h of x is equal to negative 12x plus 83.